So hey YouTube, welcome back to the channel. Today's project is to do a little aeration with the old aerator. It's been a while since we pulled this thing out, but I think it's going to work fine. It still seems to be all in one piece. We'll look it on the back of our ZT1 and see how it works. We've actually never used this particular aerator with this mower, but we'll give it a shot and see how it goes. I don't know if you could tell, but the lawn's not looking in the best shape here, which is why we decided to aerate it. Now, we've seen this before. What you got here is mold damage. Mold damage caused by grubs. And you can see the evidence of the grubs based on the grass. See how it's brown, kind of dead. Pulls right out. Now it's springtime up here, so you know it's not unusual to see some brown grass, but you can kind of get an idea when there's a lot of moles around. They're coming to eat the grubs, and we've had grubs here before, and we treated it before. But the best way to do it is to aerate first, because it puts a hole in the ground, inch and a half, 2 inches. Sometimes I throw more weight on the back of that aerator to push it down deeper, but I think it was fine for today with just the one kind of rolling back and forth. But yeah, so now that we get it aerated, we're going to put some grub killer down, and we're going to put some fertilizer down, and it should take care of it. We've had them before. It's not the greatest lawn, but it's a country lawn, just like to say. So let's get the fertilizer down, let's get the grub killer down, and we'll give it a few weeks, and I bet this looks a whole lot better. So it's been about a week and a half, and let's take a look. We did fill a couple holes in with some fresh dirt and grass seed, but this is the area that we aerated and then treated for grubs. Grubs eat the roots of the grass, kills the grass off, and then the moles come and eat the grubs, and they make it a nice mess. But you can see the moles are pretty much going away, and the grass is starting to fill back in. I mean, we still have a little work to do over here. Got some weed penetration there, but looks a whole lot better, at least in my opinion. We still have a little bit of work to do here, but yeah, it's definitely coming around. Like I said, it's been about a week and a half since we did the treatment, and I'm liking how it looks. So if you like the channel, we hope you do. We hope you subscribe. We're trying to get to that 1,000 subscriber mark. That's our first goal, and we're on our way. In addition, we hope you like the video, so you give us a thumbs up for that. And if you have some comments about it, or comments in general about the channel, we'd like to hear from you. I think that's it's looking better. So until next time, we'll see you later.